two sessions that we ran today. Well, the first one was a lab that was 3.5 hours, and we talked about a platform approach to multi-cloud, multi-cluster Kubernetes communications. And the second one, Tony?
So the second session concerned our own internal certified Kubernetes administrator study groups have been wildly successful. Mike hosted the first one. I was his student. I went off and hosted a few others, and there was just a ton of interest about the human component, where we were able to, we learned a lot about Kubernetes, and we were happy to spread our knowledge and hopefully up-level, upskill F5/NGINX, but also the fulfillment that we get from helping others, teaching others, and I think that really resonated with the audience here.
So I think one thing that people took away about F5 from the lab was that there is a global network which allows overlay between multiple Kubernetes clusters. So this approach to a multi-cloud and hybrid world, where underlaying our platform, we have a fairly messy mix of different technologies and different cloud environments that our customers are running in. The fact that F5 can provide a platform to deliver services on top of that, I think that was a learning point for a lot of people. What do you think, Tony?
Yeah, so I was actually surprised it resonated with a few in the room that were having the exact problem that distributed cloud was meant to solve. Right, so there is some mind share, comfort level with service mesh, but very few knew about our platform approach for stitching together multiple Kubernetes clusters across disparate environments, and we got quite a few follow-up questions and interest. I think overall it was a big success.
What did people take away from the CKA talk? Well, first of all, a lot of people were excited to get their CKA, so a couple of people came up to us afterwards and asked if they could join a study group, and that was fantastic. And we also outlined the benefits of running a CKA study group, and I think that there are some people that will go away and take this back to their own workplace. What about you?
Yeah, so in the audience we had, if I recall correctly, about 4 or 5 folks that were already certified, and then everyone else had thought about it. So I think we were able to motivate a few folks that were already certified to go back to their own organizations, spread what they knew, and really let them know that it was a win-win situation, right? They can share their knowledge, they can upskill the organization, but also the teaching, like the recall, was going to benefit them, so they can really solidify those concepts.
Oh, what do we think of Kubehuddle so far? Everyone loves coming to Toronto. There's great food, friendly people. We've actually got pretty good weather too, so we're pretty thrilled to be here.
Yeah, so I love the energy, I love the enthusiasm. I'd say overall it exceeded expectations. I've been to KubeCon, and KubeCon is fantastic. I mean, it's the conference, but it can be a little overwhelming, and I think coming to a more intimate setting like the one that we have here at Kubehuddle, although there is still tremendous turnout, there's a nice change of pace, and it met a lot of folks, got recognized because we were doing our sessions. Everybody's got a positive energy, and I just see this growing year after year.